Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new product from the Realgood guys. These are the snack size pizzas. They do these little kind of, I don't want to say bite size unless you have a huge mouth, but they're these really small ones in comparison to the other products that they have. And if you like their chicken based crust, this is that same chicken based crust. This is a 9-minute cook. It says 7 to 9 minutes, so I went a little bit extra in a 425 oven, convection style, just to see if it would crisp up any. Still has that same problem, so you will have to do the extra work to try to get it to crisp up. So that said, this is the 3 cheese, which is the style that they have. It's still got that very toothsome crust. It's chewy, it's not crispy at all, but definitely not something that's problematic if you're just looking to get kind of that pizza fix. I recommend it. One of the advantages of these is because they're set up the way that they are, it only takes 7 to 9 minutes to cook them, where the other ones are, which I'm cooking right now, the other stuff. These are I got a shipment of the Supremes, and these are 27 to 30 minutes, so significantly longer cook time on the pizza pizzas. So right now they're running a special where if you get some of these, so I've decided to order a case of the Supreme. So trying to do what I can to save a little money. So until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.